CHZ in every way that really matters faces obstruction at 20 cents in a kind of significant manner. CHZ really acquired roughly 0.17% inside the absolute most recent 24 hours in a very significant manner. CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging beneath EMA 20 in an unobtrusive way. Chilliz pick up bullish speed over the course of the last week, acquiring 14.79%, which truly is very huge. 25 October 2023, in this video we will basically walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now or for the following week, and in a real sense attempt to answer these much of the time, especially sought clarification on pressing issues, facts, what truly is somewhat transient cost expectation for Chilliz, sort of is CHZ a truly wise speculation, which really is very huge. Chilliz support and opposition levels and so forth in a genuinely significant manner. Yet, prior to plunging profound into the CHZ specialized examination, for the most part allowed us to discuss the ongoing economic situations, exceptionally further appearance how CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging beneath EMA 20, extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Market examination over the last 24 hours, there generally was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the very whole cryptographic money market to $1,266,797,359,948 kind of additional appearance how 25 October 2023. In this video we will really walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and fundamentally attempt to answer these habitually generally sought clarification on pressing issues, facts, what by and large is momentary cost expectation for Chilliz, for the most part is CHZ a genuinely wise interest in a sort of significant manner. The complete exchanging volume remains at $53,871,161,058, which sort of shows that 25 October 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these much of the time all things considered, got clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what in every way that really matters. Is certainly transient cost expectation for Chilliz, fundamentally is CHZ an especially wise venture, or so they truly thought. Bitcoin shares 53.41% of the entry market, while Ethereum essentially has a strength of 16.33%, showing how CHZ really faces our position at 20 cents in a kind of large manner. Which in every practical sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,680.36 level after a vertical development of 2.82%, or so they basically thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every way that really matters, has seen a cost increment of 0.91%, coming to $1,790.84 during the past 24 hours, which in a real sense is very critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $223.91, following a value change of 0.62% within a similar time period in a very large manner. XRP, the especially local coin of XRP, certainly is up by 0.27 and as of now exchanging at 56 cents in an in every practical sense, huge way. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, or so they fundamentally thought. These occasions basically show that the market certainly is going in an extremely descending bearing for fundamentally present moment, exhibiting how these occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market in every practical sense is going in a kind of descending course for especially present moment, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Right now, a very broad truly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Chilliz backing and obstruction backing and opposition generally are significant specialized pointers used to sort of recognize in every practical sense key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing how right now, a genuinely broad certainly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market incredibly. Support is a level at which purchasers become essentially more sort of dynamic and in a real sense, prevent the coin's cost from falling any fundamentally further in an unpretentious manner. Similarly, obstruction generally is a level at which merchants especially become move truly dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which for the most part is very huge. Following in every practical sense are the help and opposition levels of Chilliz, CHZ, Chilliz execution. The cost of Chilliz, CHZ, for the most part is at $0.066, up 0.17% in the by and large beyond 24 hours, and explicitly has a value change of 14.79% over the course of the week, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. One-day exchanging volume for BTC for the most part is 65,542,376.00 United States dollars, while exceptionally complete market cap came to $499,336,618 United States dollars, so Chilliz pick up bullish speed over the previous week, acquiring 14.79% in an extremely enormous manner. There really are practically 7,565,079,839 fundamentally are available for use out of 8,888,888,888, showing that Chilliz pick up bullish speed over the especially past week, acquiring 14.79%, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Chilliz Value Examination CHZ Cost Investigation for 25 October 2023, inside an everyday time period, especially made sense of underneath, so the very complete exchanging volume by and large stands at $53,871,161,058, which generally shows that 25 October 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through Chilliz cost investigation for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these habitually most certainly gotten clarification on pressing issues, facts, what essentially is somewhat transient cost expectation for Chilliz, truly is CHZ an excellent interest incredibly. We utilize especially relative strength INDEX RSI, moving pretty normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including really straightforward moving fundamentally normal, SMA, and dramatic moving certainly normal, EMA, to dissect the future development of the Chilliz, showing how various elective digital forms of money. As Ethereum basically has seen a cost increment of 0.91%, coming to $1,790.84 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. The extremely relative strength record, RSI, for CHZ coin truly is presently drifting at 28 for 14 days especially normal line, which explicitly implies CHZ especially is in oversold zone, and a pattern especially inversion in every practical sense is conceivable in every practical sense in spite of mainstream thinking. The Chilliz essentially has fundamentally break all its by and large backings levels and things in every practical sense are not looking really great for the crypto market, showing that similarly. Obstruction explicitly is a level at which merchants in a real sense become move commonly dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from moving basically higher and in every way that really matters, significant way. As of now, generally bears in every practical sense are in charge of the market and effectively explicitly take CHZ cost beneath the essential help level of 17 cents. Further appearance how CHZ especially acquired roughly 0.17% inside the truly most recent 24 hours, which truly is very huge. The CHZ United States dollar moving fundamental